Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping straight into the AI that decides what you watch. Recommendation engines, how they basically curate your streaming reality. Think about it. You open Netflix, maybe Disney Plus Wick, right now. Why that movie? In that top spot, it's definitely not luck.
No, not at all. It's deep data analysis, and it's solving a huge problem for these platforms.
Which is?
Choice paralysis. I mean, you've got tens of thousands of shows, movies. It's overwhelming. People freeze up.
And just quit the app, right?
Exactly. They
Yeah.
close it without watching anything. That's a massive loss for the platform. So the algorithm's job, its core mission, is curation.
Like a museum curator, but for my watch list.
Sort of, yeah. A very, very efficient curator to have to cut through the noise, predict what you'll actually click on next. And that drives user retention.
Keeping people subscribed.
Right. Sources we looked at show that keeping you engaged just like 30 seconds longer in a session, that significantly boosts the chance you'll renew.
Okay, so let's get into the tech. How does this AI actually figure out what I want? It feels like mind reading sometimes.
Well, it's usually not just one simple thing. The best systems use what's called a hybrid strategy.
Hybrid, meaning what exactly?
It means it combines different approaches. Think of it like two brains working together. First, there's content-based filtering.
Okay, content-based. So if I watch sci-fi, it shows me more sci-fi.
Pretty much, if you watched only period dramas and sci-fi, that's all it would suggest. It's safe, but it can trap you.
A filter bubble. You never see anything new or different.
Exactly. That's its big flaw. So that's why they need the second brain, collaborative filtering.
Collaborative.
Well,
Like what my friends watch.
sort of, but on a massive scale.
Mm.
It ignores the content itself, genre, actors, whatever. It just looks at user behavior. People who liked X also like Y.
Ah, so if thousands of Game of Thrones fans suddenly watch some obscure comedy special?
It might suggest the comedy special to you, even if you've never watched comedy before. But this one has a weakness, too.
Which is?
The cold start problem. Brand new movie comes out. No one's watched it yet. Collaborative filtering has no data. It can't recommend it effectively at first.
Okay, so neither system is perfect alone. Content-based traps you. Collaborative can't handle new stuff.
Precisely. Which brings us back to the hybrid strategy. It uses both. It might know you like sci-fi from the content model,
Right.
but then the collaborative model sees, say, 50 users, just like you, suddenly watched a new documentary. The hybrid system weighs that social proof.
And bumps the documentary higher up, maybe even into that top row?
Exactly. It uses the collaborative data to add novelty, to break the filter bubble the content model might create. It's just smarter, more effective. And it helps solve that cold start problem, too, using content tags initially before the viewing data builds up.
Okay, so it picks the title.
Yeah.
But it goes deeper, right? You mentioned something about hyper-personalization.
Oh, yeah. It's not just what movie they show you, it's how they show it to you. Let's talk thumbnail personalization.
The little picture for the movie, they personalize that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
A single film might have, like, dozens of different thumbnail images generated for you
Lessons, why?
to optimize the click-through rate, the CTR. Based on your viewing history, if you watch a lot of action,
I see the hero with a gun, explosions, maybe.
you got it. But if your profile leans towards romantic comedies, same movie, same actors, but you'll see a thumbnail with them in a softer pose, maybe a close-up, hinting at romance.
Wow. Okay, they're optimizing for that split-second glance.
Every millisecond counts. And this gets even more granular globally. Think localization.
How so?
Well, the source is pointed to India. Platforms like Disney plus Hotstar, if you watch cricket, right? And your profile shows you prefer the Tamil language commentary.
Yeah.
The thumbnail they show you might actually feature the Tamil commentary team, not just the star players.
Really? Just because I prefer that language track?
Yep. It's a visual cue designed specifically to make you, the Tamil language fan, click play. It's incredibly specific.
Okay, this is a lot more involved than I thought. What's the end game here for these platforms?
It all ties back to the big business strategy. It's not just about having the best shows anymore. The real goal now is interface ownership.
Interface ownership,
Yeah.
meaning they want to own the screen you look at, the menu.
Exactly. They want their platform to be your default gateway to entertainment. And the recommendation engine is key to that. It's the gatekeeper.
And I bet it's weighted pretty heavily towards their own stuff, right? Their originals.
Overwhelmingly.
Yeah.
It has to be. They spend billions on that original content. The recommendation engine makes sure you see it first, justifies the cost, and builds that brand loyalty. The battleground isn't just content libraries anymore. It's about who has the smartest, most persuasive home screen.
Right. So let's quickly recap this deep dive then. These recommendation algorithms are crucial. They fight choice
Yep,
paralysis.
keeping users from getting overwhelmed.
They rely on that superior hybrid model, mixing what you like with what people like you like.
Combining content attributes and social proof.
And they use all this data to hyper-personalize everything, even the thumbnails you see.
All in the service of owning that interface, owning your attention.
So a final thought for our listeners.
Yeah. The next time you log in and see that perfect movie suggestion, that show you didn't even know you wanted to watch,
Yeah.
don't just think it's a lucky guess or, a coincidence.
Think of it as
Think of it as a calculated statistical prediction, fine-tuned by thousands, maybe millions, of data points about your behavior, your clicks, your pauses, even the time of day. The machine, it really might know what you want to watch even before you do.